Viewer query just on that. So what are the expectations, with expectations of near-term uncertainty, political uncertainty out of the way, is there a case to invest in OMCs, or should one stick to holistic bets like Reliance? If OMCs, then which one can one buy based on fundamentals? That's a question coming from Gaurang R from Delhi. So thank you very much for that question, and that is the moot point today, and I'll take that question and throw it right away right at our expert Sanjiv Bhasin. Bhasin sir, good afternoon. How was the lunch today? क्या खाया?
सुपर लंच, और आपके साथ बॉम्बे में और भी बढ़िया लंच करेंगे आपके साथ, जो वड़ा पाव खाएंगे।
जी हाँ, वड़ा पाव, एंड लुक फॉरवर्ड इवन टू पाव भाजी। पर छोला भटूरा लेकर आना जब आओगे।
100% छोला भटूरा और रसमलाई दोनों चीजें लेके आऊंगा।
Well, for investors today, it's bit of everything. Best of Bombay and best of Delhi. Unexpected good news is sparking some of the oil marketing stocks. So let's address this viewer query. Is it time to buy oil marketing stocks? Because there is true value in some of these stocks. Sanjiv Bhasin.
So Nikunj, I have been of the view that the Russian crisis was the biggest positive point for all the three oil marketing companies. They were getting crude at a 50% discount, and they refine both hard and soft crude, which Reliance just does one part. So they were actually raking in the money, and you see the quarterly results, particularly from HP and IOC, they have been standout. I still think there is a lot of room on the upside, and now with this Damocles sword hanging that there will be some freebies, that is now out of the question. The hallmark of this government has actually been that they did not do anything to upset the balance on the fiscal side for the oil marketing companies. Now I think the realizations are coming. However, we are aware that the HPBP, IOC have run up about 30% in the last maybe 2 months, maybe more than that. So doing a SIP is not back, or like I told you, buying a CPSE ETF. But I still think there is a lot of valuation comfort in all these three stocks.
My next question, sir, is this the right time to enter Adani stocks? If yes, which one? That question is coming from Rajesh Talwar. So Rajesh, thank you very much for that question. So, Bhasin sir, not only today, but from last week, which is last Tuesday, most of the Adani stocks have appreciated anywhere between 5 to about 15%. While markets try to, have this umbilical cord when it comes to Adani group of stocks and the stability of the political regime, that's the market perception. Reality may be different, but purely for an investor, and what should Rajesh do? Should he buy into Adani group of stocks after the recent rally? If yes, which one?
So I have been, answering this query from the last 7-8 months when, in January, February, this crisis escalated. And I said, on a business perspective and the outlook, Adani Ports and Ambuja are the two best stocks to buy. And those stocks have done very, very well. Even day before yesterday, if you recall, on Friday, your query was on Adani, and I had suggested Adani Port because arguably it's the third largest port in the world and doing extremely well. Plus the Baltic Freight Index is doing well. And I think on a business perspective, don't cloud it with the political and business look. There is a lot of room on the upside in the sense that the business is performing very well on Adani Ports. Ambuja becomes a no-brainer given that now it is, that their rollover or the cost of money has been also balanced. They've repaid a large part of the leverage. And I think Ambuja is the best play on the port side or the, inland transport side, which they have as a cost advantage for the logistics. So both are buys. However, they have moved up. So buy some now and buy for a decline. Look for a decline to enter some more in both these Adani stocks.
Thank you very much, Sanjiv Bhasin, for that.